Good morning. Today I'm going to discuss the indentation used in Python. So you can see there are codes indented in this example. So I've got here a function definition. My number is 10 if something is true or whatever. So everything that is on the margin will be executed from top down unconditionally. So if something is on the margin, the computer would execute it. So if my number is bigger than 10, then in that case, do here what's indented. So in other words, the indentation indicates which lines of code should execute under a certain condition. So the lines that are indented will not always execute. It depends on a condition if those lines would execute or not. So in the case where my number is 10, if my number is 10, bigger or equals to 10, only then these lines of codes that's indented, all of them, all the lines, as many as I need to, that are indented, those would execute under this condition, if that condition is true. Else, something else will be executed. Here, my while will always be checked to see if the while condition is true. If it is true, then everything that is indented would run under that condition, and the same for the for loop. So, in other words, we indent to show what should be executed under a certain condition. I don't have any delimiter like brackets that would indicate which coding block should execute under a certain conditions. So for instance, in Java or other programming languages, you would have a delimiter like a curly bracket or something that would indicate which coding block runs under a certain condition. In Python, it's the indentation. So you've got to be very careful and pay attention to the indentation because there is logic built into that. So the indentation indicates which lines of code should execute under a certain condition. Thank you.